This video is on graphing exponential functions with transformational shifts. So let's look at the equation y equals 4 times 1/2 to the x minus 1 power minus 2. So let's take a look at the components of this exponential equation. -2 represents the horizontal asymptote. The x minus y represents the shift on the x-axis relative to the origin. Note that h equals 1, not -1, and k equals -2. To solve the equation, we're going to use an x and y table. We're going to find x values that make the exponent easy to work with, like 0 and 1. Then we'll plug those x values to solve for y and graph. So we're going to take the x minus 1 and set that equal to 0 and 1 and solve for x, so we can use those values in our x and y table. We do this because we know anything to the 0 power will be 1, and anything to the 1 power will be the number itself. So now we have our x values that we can put in our x and y table. So when we plug in 1 for our x value, we get our exponent to equal 0, and anything to the 0 power equals 1. So we'll have 4 times 1 minus 2, which will be 4 minus 2, y equals 2. Now we'll plug in 2 for our x value. And 2 minus 1, our power, our exponent will be 1. 1/2 to the 1 power will equal 1/2. 4 times 1/2 minus 2 is 2 minus 2, so our y value will be 0. So now let's graph our equation. We know our k value is -2, so that is going to be our horizontal asymptote. Next, we're going to plot our points 1, 2, and then 2, 0, and we draw our curve from left to right, not crossing the horizontal asymptote. Now our domain will be along the x-axis. So from -infinity to +infinity. Our range will start from the bottom at our asymptote, so it'll be -2 to +infinity. So this was graphing exponential functions with transformations. Any math topics you'd like me to cover, please leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and I'll see you next time.